Hi guys, welcome to day 34 of our distance learning adventure. We're going to go down our list of activities. You can use Google Classroom as well. It's the same thing. So our Flipgrid and our journal topic today is, do you like toys or video games better and why? Our two sounds are the spelling patterns today are AY and AI. They both say A. If we click on it, it'll take you to Spell Zone. And on Spell Zone, there's words that you can listen to like day and hey and lay. They all have AY. And then you have games that you can play. For AI, same thing. It'll take you to Spell Zone. And there's words like aid, aim, paid. You can see that AI and you can play games. The next thing today is our long O. If you click, it's going to take you to ABCia, to the submarine spelling game. We've done this before. You're just going to push play and the guy will come on, the submarine man. You have to pick number 2, which says primer. Those are the words for kindergarten. The next thing for math, we are starting sorting with chapter 12. If we scroll down, we already did the first 3. We have length and height, weight, and sorting. So you'll just press play now and you'll do this activity where you sort the pictures. The next thing, we have a mindfulness video on compassion from Go Noodle. And we have dance and exercise video called Banana Banana. For sight words today, we're doing memory. And scroll down, you'll press start. And you can click here, it'll give you the word, the words have. And then you're going to click down here and try to make a match. That says am, it's not right. So you keep going until you make matches. The next thing today, we have our scratch project that we're continuing. Epic Books, I put books up about video games and toys. And then Clever, of course, you can go to and see all the good things on there if you need some extra things to do for the day. So let's go ahead and take a look at our paperwork for the day. Your warm-up today is number 85. Number 1 says, write the word with a capital letter. Have you ever done that? 2, add punctuation. I like apples. Do you need a period, a question mark, or an exclamation mark? Number 3, circle the van. Circle the nouns. The van had 4 tires. Maple wants to say hi. Say hi, Maple. Okay, you gotta get down now. And then number 4, fill in the missing letter. The word is cape, so fill in that missing letter. Our next thing is the journal. For my journal today, I wrote, I like playing with toys because I like to build things. Legos are my favorite toy. Make sure that you're checking for the 5 things. Did you start with a capital? Did you put spaces? Did you spell your sight words correctly? Did you stretch your words and use your analyze chart? And of course, did you end your sentences with punctuation? Next job today, let's take a look at our worksheet, our language arts worksheets. The first one is page 267. And they want to know which foods are made with grain. That means, do you use flour to make it? So bread, that would be a yes, we're going to circle it. Muffins, yep, you're going to use flour and grain for that. Eggs, no, you're going to put an X on it. They come from chickens. Our next job is math. So let's go ahead and take a look at our math for the day. Now your math page is paper. This unit is kind of tough to do because we don't have our shapes. They're in the classroom. So we're going to use the electronic shapes to help us today. If we click, it's going to turn the clouds blue. So this side, we're supposed to sort shapes that are blue. And on this side, we're supposed to sort shapes that are not blue. I picked 3 of the shapes on the top that were blue, the triangle, the square, and the circle. And I went ahead and I put them on my side for the things that are blue. And then I picked 3 shapes. If you don't like my 3 shapes, you can pick 3 other shapes that are not blue. So I picked the yellow triangle. I picked the green square that's hiding, I think. Well, right there, sorry, the green square. And I picked the red triangle. So you pick 3 shapes that are not blue. Then for our next side, they want you to take the shapes and they want you to sort them. So by color, red. So I took the 3 shapes that are red and I put them here and I put the number 3. Blue, I took the 2 blue shapes, put them here and put the number 2. Yellow, there's only 1 yellow square. And then green, we have our 1 green triangle. This information is used for the next page. And it's just the same for each thing. So I put, there's 3 red shapes, 2 blue shapes, 1 yellow, 1 green. And it's asking me to write the number 1 for both of these. So I put 1. And then the next one is asking which one has 2 and to write that number 2. And then the last one, circle the category that has 3 shapes and then put your number 3. The last page, they're telling us that Anna sorted her shapes. They want to know, how did she sort her shapes? And you can see she sorted them by color. She put all of her red shapes on this side, and then she put the shapes that are different colored on this side. And they wanted you to draw one more shape that would fit in that category. So I put a red triangle, but if you don't want to draw a triangle, maybe you can put a different shape. And then on the next side, you have to draw another shape. I just put a circle that's not red. And then on the bottom, they want you to pick some shapes and to sort them by color. So I liked green today, so I made 3 green shapes. And then on this side, I put a blue, a red, and a purple shape. If you don't want to do those shapes, you can always do different ones. That's fine too. Just make sure they're sorted by color. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.